Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tradables. So let's see how market has performed today. So before that, this is the web application that we are taking as a base to analyze the data points. This is Tradables website. So it gives multiple data points based on the different kinds of analysis. So that helps us to understand the market movements. So today, coming to the Nifty 50, Nifty ended up at 24,708 with positive 240 points appreciation, and this is continuously fourth day that Nifty closed with positive trend. So being December beginning and the first week of the month, so Nifty is really, markets are really on positive note, and today for Nifty, IT sector, bank sectors being the top contributors for this positive momentum. And also with the upcoming RBI update, people are waiting for tomorrow, which is RBI gonna held their MPC Monetary Policy Commission tomorrow. So people are expecting some rate cuts. So because of that, banks, Nifty and overall market is on positive note. So let's see now from the candlestick pattern, like the movement of the market for the day. So initially, although there was little tension, but around at 11:30, market has picked up and it has broke our resistance level around 138% as per our Fibonacci analysis. I'll get back to the Fibonacci analysis and show in detail. But before that, let's understand. Once it touched the resistance levels that we have mentioned in our data, market was like booming. So then some profit booking we expected here. So some profit booking we have seen, but market ended up closing with 24,700. If you remember, for the past 2 days, we are telling that will Nifty end at 24,750, or we are telling that target for the week for the Nifty 50 could be 24,800. So if you look at this, it's just 1 point away to reach 24,800. So if really RBI gives a positive update tomorrow, then definitely we can expect and be more bullish to reach that target. But otherwise, if we have any adverse news tomorrow, then we can at least expect some positive downfall in the current range. So that's how so far. Coming to the trader view, as we saw, previous close of Nifty 50 is around 24,467, while today the open itself at 539. So it gap up with close to 100 points. So itself indicating the positive momentum in the market. And then let's see to the Fibonacci analysis what the numbers are indicating according to this and whether market moved in this direction or not. So I'll take 24,539 being the first candle. Like even the first candle is closed around. Okay, so if I see, this is the first candle which closed around 24,468. So my previous close is also around 24,467. So somewhere around here. So since the first 30 minutes candle is closed above my 24,468, which is my support compared to my resistance compared to my yesterday with just 1 point. So I expect market to go above 24,538. So although there was slightly shortfall, downfall initially, but if you see at the middle of the market, it has closed the candle around 24,538. So our ultimate expectation is like it has crossed our 24,538 number at 138.2%. So our next target is like 24,595. So we will see. We can wait for some time, like at least for 1 or 2 candles to understand whether there will be some profit booking over there or market will take the uptrend. So what we witnessed here, once the candle closed about 24,538, it took upside momentum. So there was no profit booking, like there could be some profit booking, but overall bulls were dominating. So if you see, immediately it went up all the way to here, and our next resistance levels like 24,652 at 161%, but even that got broke. So 24,700, market has closed about 24,700. So which is beyond our golden period, like 161.8% also, and somewhere around 178. So it has proved that the data points that we are telling, the resistance levels, so it has broke all the levels and proved that currently market ended up closed around 178.6%. So this is a proven, like every day we are discussing comparison of market movements along with our data points. So every day we are witnessing like this data is really doing great. So once we understand this data, it is very easy for us to predict the market movements. So now quickly let's see what all the counters has contributed to the Nifty 50 today. As I've already said, banking and IT sectors are booming like anything today. So being Infosys, banks, TCS and Reliance is also on positive side today. And so that's how majority of the banking, IT and stocks like Reliance. So majority of the bank, HCL Tech is like IT. So all these contributors, 41 counters out of 50 were on positive today. Just being very minimal amount of 9 counters out of 50 are on negative. So out of these also Bajaj Auto, so it has reduced by 1.1%, 1.19%. With the news that they have announced like their Freedom 125 bike, their price reduced by 10,000. Might be because of the year end, they want to increase their sales by giving some discounts to the customers, but maybe people are more conservative from the terms of the revenue optimization. So if the price is reduced, there is a chance like their profits will be compromised. So maybe that could be the reason, but this is not temporary, this is not permanent. So Bajaj Auto is really the strongest stock in the market, so being one of the contributors in the negative side. So let's see yearly stocks which are performing good. So ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel, Infosys, HDFC, all these are being 37 counters out of 50 are performing great from the yearly perspective. So these are all like around 13 out of 50 counters are on negative contributors for the year, being the top losers. So I think that's all about Nifty 50. Now let's discuss Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also on a straight third day. Beginning of the week, the first day Bank Nifty was struggling a bit, but since then it picked up the momentum and continued that, and again today it managed to end up more than 336 points appreciation with all the news expectation about RBI. So that's going to reveal tomorrow. So now this is the interesting place where we need to keep a watch. So let's see what happens tomorrow at this place, but all the time it is on rally. So even the Bank Nifty pattern looks same, although initially it has begun with some downfall, but it picked up the momentum all the way, and just here we can see some profit booking. So comparing the market movement with Fibonacci analysis for Bank Nifty as well. So let's see whether Bank Nifty is also moved according to the data points that we have given. So our previous close is like 53,266. While my current open is like 53,354. So around 100 plus points with gap up Nifty, Bank Nifty open, and then 53,354. So according to our Fibonacci, so it's ranging around 150 to 161%. So it is about 100%, we call it as Fibonacci extension level. So we are still being bullish here according to the data. So our expectation is like, since it is between the 53,260 and 378 level, once it breaks 378, then our expectation is like it might go further upside unless we get confirmation of after some profit booking. So let's see what happened. So here around again 11:30, which equally affected Nifty 50 also. So this candle closed at 53,484. So which is at what level? 53,484 is like beyond 161.8% and just below the 178.6%. So this indicating my bullish momentum, bullish trajectory in the banks will still continue. So that's what happened. So it went all the way up, and then after we witnessed some profit booking, but still it ended up like 53,600. So which is really the biggest improvement that we have seen here. Let's quickly see what all the stocks have contributed to the Bank Nifty and the sentiment. So 6 out of 12 counters are on positive note, 6 out of 12. So 50% sentiment, but if you see counters wise 50-50, but points wise, majority of the points were pulled by ICICI Bank, Kotak, HDFC, SBIN. Guys, let's move to IT Nifty. So IT Nifty, yesterday the close was 43,949 and today it closed around 44,806. Around 857 points are appreciated with very slight, like it's almost 2% upside in terms of the IT Nifty percentage. So the movement of the candlestick chart, it's like it took like a rally, like the open, let's see, our open is like 174 while our close is at 806. So it's really IT sector performed too good here. The first candle has closed at 44,220. So if we have to analyze taking Fibonacci as base, 44,220, I'll see, since we are here the time frames are given, daily is for short term, weekly is mid term, monthly is long term. So from weekly point of view, I'll see where I'm currently standing according to the first candle, 44,235. 44,235 is somewhere around 78 to 100%. So it is on good side. Like we call these we call 61% ranging around as golden ratios. So since the stock is ranging around here, we expect as a bullish momentum here. But what the thing is like, unless 44,330 is break, the candle is closed above 44,330, then we can take a confirmation over there and expect whether this will go further uptrend or not. So let's see what happened. So in this candle, if you see, close is 44,484. So we were waiting for 44,330 candle to close, but it is around 44,484. So crossing this 100%. So then immediately the market took a up move and finally it also touched 44,944. So at 138.2% resistance also it break. 1, 2, 3. 3 levels of resistance was crossed by IT sector today. So although we are experiencing little profit booking here, so this is overall the performance of the IT sector. So let's see what all the stocks indicating for IT today, contributing for IT. So 10 out of 10 stocks are positively contributed. So IT is completely on rally today with zero adverse. So trend line for Nifty 50, short term it's above the trend line. So trend is good. So let's see how weekly trend has moved. So weekly trend is also doing good. We are just above the weekly trend line. And for monthly trend is also we are doing good. So this monthly trend line hasn't broken since last 28 months. So let's see how December will decide the trend. So far, December month is also above the trend line. So let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty trend line, short term is good, above the trend line. Mid term is also above the trend line and long term is also above the trend line. So IT also, let's take a quick glance. Short term is above the trend line, mid term is also above the trend line and long term is also above the trend line. So this indicating like all the terms, short term, mid term, long term, all the three Nifty 50, bank sector, IT sector are doing very great. So it indicating that market is like very strong, being very bullish. Let's quickly see heat maps. So Nifty 50 heat maps gives us the data to understand which stocks performed, being the top gainers, top losers, just by scrolling over the data here. So let's see daily which are the stocks performed good from Nifty 50. TCS, Infosys being the top, Titan, Trent are also on top, Dr. Reddy. So these are all crossed 2% and there are Bharti Airtel, Wipro, Bajaj Finance crossing 1.5%. These are the stocks stand as top gainers for the day. Let's see who are all the top losers for the day. So SBI Life, Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, we have already discussed about the news that we have today. So contributing to the negative for the Nifty today. Let's see yearly performers. So Trent, M&M, BL being the top. IndusInd Bank, Asian Paint, Nestle India are contributing to the negative side for yearly perspective. So Bank Nifty, top gainers are ICICI, Kotak Bank, SBI, Axis Bank, while top losers are PNB, IDFC First Bank. From yearly perspective, if we see Federal Bank, SBI, ICICI are very strong with growth percent more than 30 and top losers IndusInd Bank, Bandhan Bank, IDFC First Bank. So IT Nifty, top gainers in the IT field, TCS, Infosys, LTIM, Wipro, Techem. So majority, except LTTS and Coforge, every stock has improved more than 1%. So ideally, IT doesn't have any negative contributors. So everyone are gainers here. So let's see from yearly point of view, Coforge, Techem being 40% growth, HCL, Wipro, Infosys are on 30 to 25% range. So top losers from yearly point of view for IT is just Persistent, but I don't think this means like it's performing poor, but there's definitely strong stock. Let's quickly also take a glance at ETFs. So today all ETFs are performing good. There's no negative and average improved to 0.73, being IT based, because we have seen IT sector is very strong today. So that is impacting ETFs also with 2%. So even yearly the average is improved to 22.87%. So let's wind up the video with our target expectation for Nifty 50. That is also in expert view. We have implemented the feature called best fair value. So these indicates all the levels which are given here are supports highlighted in green, resistance levels are highlighted in red, and we are also given ranking here. So our expectation is, if tomorrow, since Nifty 50 closed at 24,708, so if any candle breaks, closes about 24,797, maybe tomorrow or in upcoming days, our expectation is like Nifty will further go to 25,000. If at all there is volatility in the market and if markets is downfall, then 24,218 will act as the immediate support. This is for short term. So same way you can analyze this data taking midterm and long term based on our investment options. So if I see OI change for Nifty 50 for my week, this data is telling that since I'm currently at 24,700, my resistance that I expect around 24,900 or 24,850 for the week closure, and the support could be around 24,600 or 650. Even let's see this box theory, Nifty is at 24,708. So according to this box theory, we can predict what could be the next probable number. So 24,708. Since we have seen according to the box theory also, today Nifty has broke 24,649. So our next probable target could be 24,964. So although even we don't want to be aggressive, then at least we can expect 24,800 could be the target by the week, if at all market sustains in the bullish trend. Otherwise tomorrow we'll see how the news will be impacting according to the RBI call. So that's all guys. I hope you find the video helpful. So if you want to analyze the data that we are presenting here, you can also go to the tradables.com website, and we are giving it for the free currently. So you can just sign up and log into our website and access all this data and understand your market analysis. So I hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please do like. If you have any comments, or please comment down your points. I hope you find the video useful. Please do like our video, and if you have any queries, or please comment down your analysis, what's your thoughts, and also please do consider subscribing our channel. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you.